Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust margins in Google Docs. So, let's start the video. At first, open your document in Google Docs. Now click File from the top menu and then go to Page Setup. Now from here, under Margins, you can adjust the top, bottom, left and right margin. Enter the measurements you want, then click OK. Your document will instantly update with the new margin settings. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.